Now here we have where the Western Wall is.
What? There's homes there.
Yes, there are homes there. Remember the story. This is 1967, Six-Day War. Israelis won. They conquered the nations that were fighting against them very quickly, and then they came in and they decided they would immediately, I'm talking within days, that area is all dynamited, bulldozed. They destroyed 3 mosques, all the homes in that area were knocked down, and then they lowered the entire area. The whole area was lowered because really, those, if they were there today, they would be sitting way up in the air above the Western Wall Plaza. So they would be way up in the air, and that's because they lowered the ground so much. That's what happened there. Now let's go around.
Shooting and I'm trying to hide.
I know, I knew you were back there.
No. You can't be seen.